the inspiring story of Honda, from humble beginnings to global success. The story of Honda is one of resilience, innovation, and unwavering passion. It all began with a man named Soichiro Honda, born in 1906 in Komyo Village, Japan. His father was a blacksmith who also repaired bicycles, and his mother was a weaver. Despite growing up in a poor family, young Soichiro was endlessly curious and loved to tinker with machines. He was fascinated by the gears, chains, and mechanical parts he saw in his father's workshop, and this curiosity would lay the foundation for his future. A boy's dream and a journey to Tokyo. As a child, Soichiro was mesmerized the first time he saw a car. The sight of the shiny metal and the sound of the roaring engine made his heart race. He promised himself that one day he would make vehicles of his own. At just 15 years old, he left his village to pursue his dreams in Tokyo, working as an apprentice at Art Shokai, a small garage that specialized in car repairs. At Art Shokai, Soichiro learned everything about automobiles, from repairing engines to understanding how cars were built. His natural talent and tireless dedication soon made him one of the best mechanics in the shop. But he didn't stop at just fixing cars. He started to dream about creating them. The first venture, Tokai Seiki. After 6 years in Tokyo, Soichiro returned to his village and opened his own auto repair shop. But fixing cars was not enough for him. In 1937, he founded Tokai Seiki, a company that manufactured piston rings. His goal was to sell them to Toyota, but his initial products were rejected due to poor quality. This failure was a harsh blow, but it didn't break his spirit. Determined to succeed, Soichiro went back to school to learn about metallurgy and manufacturing techniques. He spent countless hours experimenting and improving his designs. His perseverance paid off when Tokai Seiki finally secured a contract with Toyota. However, during World War II, his factory was bombed twice, and a devastating earthquake later destroyed what was left. Many people would have given up, but not Soichiro Honda. Showing incredible resilience, he sold the remains of his business to Toyota and began contemplating his next move, a brilliant idea: motorized bicycles. After the war, Japan was in ruins and fuel was scarce. People needed a cheap and efficient way to get around. Soichiro saw an opportunity and started attaching small, surplus military engines to bicycles. This simple but brilliant invention became a hit, helping people commute easily. In 1948, he founded Honda Motor Company, Limited, with the vision of creating affordable and reliable transportation for the masses. Soichiro partnered with Takeo Fujisawa, a savvy businessman who managed the company's finances while Soichiro focused on engineering. This partnership was the backbone of Honda's early success. The rise of Honda Motor Company. Honda's first mass-produced motorcycle, the Dream D-Type, was released in 1949. It was lightweight, efficient, and affordable, quickly becoming popular across Japan. By the 1950s, Honda had become the largest motorcycle manufacturer in Japan, known for its reliability and innovative designs. But Soichiro's ambitions went beyond his home country. In 1959, Honda opened its first overseas subsidiary in Los Angeles, USA, marking the start of its journey to becoming a global brand. The launch of the Super Cub in 1958 was a game changer. It was economical, easy to ride, and became the world's best-selling motorcycle, a title it still holds today, entering the automobile market. After conquering the motorcycle industry, Honda set its sights on automobiles. In 1963, Honda launched its first car, the T360 mini truck, followed by the sporty S500 Roadster. However, it was the Honda Civic, introduced in 1972, that truly revolutionized the automotive world. The Civic was fuel efficient, reliable, and affordable, appealing to a global audience. It also featured the innovative CVCC engine, which met strict U.S. emission standards, making Honda the first automaker to comply with the Clean Air Act. This technological breakthrough not only boosted sales, but also positioned Honda as an industry leader in environmental responsibility. A global giant with local roots, Honda's international success was not just about great products. It was also about strategy. In 1982, Honda became the first Japanese automaker to build a manufacturing plant in the United States, establishing itself as a local brand with a global vision. This move helped Honda understand and cater to different markets while creating jobs and building trust in local communities. Today, Honda operates in over 150 countries, producing not just motorcycles and cars, but also power equipment, marine engines, and even aircraft. Its commitment to quality, innovation, and sustainability continues to inspire millions worldwide, beyond cars and motorcycles. Innovation in every field. Honda's vision has always been about more than just vehicles. It ventured into robotics with the creation of Asimo, the world's most advanced humanoid robot. Designed to assist people with limited mobility, Asimo showcased Honda's expertise in engineering and artificial intelligence. In 2006, Honda entered the aviation industry with the launch of the Honda Jet, known for its innovative design and fuel efficiency. It quickly became one of the best-selling small business jets, reflecting Honda's commitment to pushing the boundaries of technology, a legacy of passion and perseverance. Soichiro Honda passed away in 1991, but his legacy lives on. He was a visionary who turned failures into opportunities, never compromising on quality or innovation. From a small bicycle repair shop to a global powerhouse, the story of Honda is a testament to the power of perseverance, curiosity, and an unbreakable spirit. Honda, today and tomorrow. Today, Honda is more than just a car manufacturer, it's an innovation leader. The company continues to explore new technologies, including electric and hydrogen fuel cell vehicles, AI-driven robotics, and renewable energy solutions. Honda's mission is not just to build machines, but to enhance the quality of human life. As the world moves toward a more sustainable future, Honda is leading the way with its commitment to carbon neutrality by 2050. With ongoing advancements in electric mobility and renewable energy, Honda is poised to shape the future of transportation and technology. Final thought. The story of Honda isn't just about engines and machines. It's about human dreams and possibilities. It's about a boy who dreamed big, faced failures, and built an empire on perseverance and innovation. Soichiro Honda once said, "Success is 99% failure." And it was this belief that kept him moving forward, inspiring the world with his courage and creativity. Honda's journey is proof that with passion, resilience, and innovation, anything is possible. From motorcycles to jets, from engines to robots, Honda continues to inspire generations, driving the world forward one dream at a time. Love this story of innovation and perseverance. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring stories from the world's most iconic brands. Tell us in the comments, What's your favorite Honda memory or vehicle? We'd love to hear your story. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Ready to experience Honda's legacy? Check out the links in the description for the latest models and gear. Keep dreaming big and driving forward, just like Soichiro Honda.